Welcome to our daily activities adventure. Today I will show you some daily activities and how to use them in sentences. Are you ready? First, let's learn about waking up. Repeat after me. Waking up. Waking up. Waking up.
I am waking up early in the morning. Once again, I am waking up early in the morning.
Now let's learn about brushing teeth. Repeat after me. Brushing teeth. Brushing teeth. Brushing teeth. Brushing teeth.
I'm brushing my teeth to keep them clean. Once again, I'm brushing my teeth to keep them clean.
Next, let's learn about eating breakfast. Repeat after me. Eating breakfast. Eating breakfast. Eating breakfast. Eating breakfast.
I am eating breakfast to start my day. Once again, I am eating breakfast to start my day.
Great! Now let's see what's next. Subscribe.
Now, let's learn about going to school. Repeat after me. Going to school. Going to school. Going to school.
We are going to school to learn new things.
Once again,
We are going to school to learn new things.
Next, let's learn about studying. Repeat after me. Studying. Studying. Studying.
We are studying hard for our exams. Once again, we are studying hard for our exams.
Next, let's learn about doing homework. Repeat after me. Doing homework. Doing homework. Doing homework.
I am doing my homework in the evening.
once again,
I am doing my homework in the evening.
Excellent. Let's continue.
Next, let's learn about taking a bath. Repeat after me. Taking a bath. Taking a bath. Taking a bath.
I am taking a bath before bed. Once again, I am taking a bath before bed.
Finally, let's learn about going to bed. Repeat after me. Going to bed. Going to bed. Going to bed.
We are going to bed after a long day.
once again,
We are going to bed after a long day.
Congratulations!